Ever wondered how beavers build their dams? Well, listen closely. These little engineers use their sharp teeth to fell trees. Then they drag the timber to the water. But that's not all. They weave in sticks and pile on mud until they've created a fortress that can withstand the toughest currents. And why do they do this? It's their home, their sanctuary. Inside it's cozy, safe from predators. Plus, a flooded area makes it easy for them to get food during tough winter months. Beavers, nature's architects, work tirelessly, showing us that with determination, even the smallest creatures can create something extraordinary. Remember, it's not the size of the beaver in the fight, it's the size of the fight in the beaver. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired. A